Hey, GreenCountryTables.com fans, I got something to show you. Give me just a second. Check this out. Holcomb Hall Tree. Got some customizations from the one on our website. Added some doors for storage. Got the gold bling on here, color pop. And hey, if you need some great furniture, GreenCountryTables.com. And hey, the most exciting thing I can tell you is Jesus. He loves you. And if you don't have a home church, Stronghold Church, Sand Springs, Oklahoma, Sunday, 10 a.m., Wednesday, 7 p.m. And again, I want to remind you that Jesus loves you. Have a great day.